What up? It's me. I am Jarvis Brown. I am JarvisBrown.com. Today, I want to talk to you a little bit about challenges, because there are none of us that I've ever known personally that have gone through life without challenges. Most of us face challenges on a daily, weekly basis. Based on who you are, you're facing a challenge every single moment of your life, because that's your purpose. It's your purpose to do something that's never been done, or it's your purpose to change something. And with that comes a challenge. Now, there are many of us who face challenges that are basically, to do with other people. Like, we don't choose the challenges. We kind of reactive to what they are. So basically, we're responding to mechanisms, we're responding to things that are taking place in the world that we have to deal with. And as a result, if we want to keep moving, we have to defeat them. Now, after we face those challenges, like, nothing significant occurs as a result of it, because we're just reactive. It was nothing chosen that's going to change the game. It's just basic stuff, flat tires, arguments with people that don't matter, things of that nature. Dealing with a bad boss, that's a challenge. You see it as a challenge. And the same energy that it takes to overcome those small, insignificant challenges are the same energy and attention that it takes to do something significant. From solving cancer to solving poverty to helping people read to economic empowerment. These things are challenges. So the energy that you have, the days, the hours, the minutes of your life can be put forth to solve a challenge that's significant, that's going to change something, or you can put forth that same effort to do nothing. And yeah, I don't think you want to do that. So what I'm telling you is, choose your challenges. Wake up every day with something on your plate that you want to bang out, something that's going to change the game. You with me?